When you have the wrong world view, when you have a narrow view about the society, about the world, about how things operate, that world view of yours will keep you in the same spot or keep you so small. For example, I have entered rooms or been in some places where a relevant conversation is going on, and there are conversations that what you say and how you say can open doors for you. And I've seen people stay silent. Like I always say, if you are silent in certain conversations in your industry, you will always close doors for yourself. And I'll talk about that. So their silence in a global conversation or their silence in an industry conversation reveals ignorance, right? And that ignorance that is revealed through their silence limits the opportunities that would have opened up for them and blessed them forever. You see that? So many people remain trapped in mediocrity. Many people lack what I call industry sophistication. I was talking to my mentees one time. I said, one price that you must pay is to be sophisticated when it comes to your industry. Like you come to you pay the price and grow in industry knowledge and intelligence that you come anywhere they are driving a conversation about your industry. You are so sophisticated with knowledge that when you open your mouth and start talking, they know that this lady, this guy is sophisticated and this guy carries what is needed.